Unraveling Time, the art of reliving the past. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that captures the essence of memory and nostalgia. Relive the past. This expression is rich in meaning and often appears in both casual conversations and literary contexts. If you've ever wondered what it truly means to relive the past and how you can use this phrase in your English conversations, you're in the right place. Let's explore together. To relive the past means to experience or remember a moment from your history so vividly that it feels as if you're going through it all over again. This can involve reminiscing about a happy memory, reflecting on a significant event, or even re-experiencing emotions associated with a particular time. It's a powerful expression that highlights the human capacity for memory and emotion. In conversations, you might use relive the past when sharing old memories with friends or family. For example, looking through these photo albums really makes me relive the past. Remember when we went camping by the lake? In writing, especially in narrative or descriptive pieces, relive the past can be used to introduce flashbacks or memories that add depth to a story. As he walked through his old neighborhood, he began to relive the past, each corner holding a different piece of his childhood. 1. During reunions. High school reunions are a perfect time to relive the past and catch up on where life has taken us. 2. In therapy or reflection. Sometimes, talking about our experiences allows us to relive the past and process emotions we've held on to. 3. In entertainment. This movie is set in the 80s, and watching it really makes you relive the past with its music and fashion. The phrase, relive the past, also holds cultural significance. It's often used in contexts where nostalgia or historical reflection is emphasized, showing how individuals or societies connect with their history. It's a reminder of the impact that past experiences, whether personal or collective, have on our present selves. We hope this exploration of relive the past has given you a deeper understanding of its meaning and how it can be used in English. Whether you're sharing memories with friends, writing a story, or simply reflecting on your own life, this phrase is a powerful tool for expressing the profound connection we have with our past. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to relive the joy of learning by revisiting our videos, and see you in the next one.